Hi everybody, it's Miss Carrie from Bridgeville and South Fayette Public Libraries, and it's time for quarantined DIY today. And what we're going to be doing is making a Yoda jar, a baby Yoda jar today. So now that you know what we will need for our project today, let's get started. So first I'm going to take my mason jar. Unfortunately, I didn't have any mason jars at home that were flat or had a smooth surface, but this is going to work just the same. It'll be fine. So I'm going to take my paintbrush and I'm going to take my green paint and I'm going to apply it all around and then let it dry. So now that my paint is basically dry on my jar, what we're going to do is make the eyes for Baby Yoda with some black acrylic paint. Alright, and then once you get your eyes made, it looks something like this. And then you can make a nose and a mouth. Alright, and then I'm going to give that some time to dry. My mason jar was a little bit smaller, so if you have like a bigger mason jar, it might be a little bit easier to make. But I'm gonna give that a little bit of time to dry, and I'm gonna move on to the felt ears, which I'm just gonna use hot glue for. I'm gonna just pinch it like that to make like a little leaf ear. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other ear. And we're gonna have an ear on each side. Sorry if you can hear my coworker upstairs. My dog Loki is being a little noisy boy today. Okay, and then it'll turn out kind of like this. And then I'm gonna just paint like a little bit of brown on the bottom, but if you have a larger mason jar, you can put some brown felt and make his little, make his robe, which is pretty cool, out of that. And put like some final touches on it. I would put some white paint on his eyes. Kind of like that. And what's awesome is that you can make this and you can put other things in your jar. Like I'm probably going to use mine as a, like to hold all of my loose change and that kind of stuff for my little Baby Yoda, but you can use it for a pencil holder. You can do other things with it as well. So just have fun with it and enjoy. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a good time. And please let us know if there's anything that you want us to do or you want to see us do, because we're here for you. If you make the project, I would love to see it. So put pictures in the comments or email me the picture, because I would love to see what you're doing. Or if you have ideas, we would love to do them too. So thanks guys so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great rest of the week. May the force be with you. See you next week for Quarantine DIY. Bye.